HP and Y printer. So I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup of this printer using the Mac operating system. Now the first step is to switch on the printer and make sure it is in the setup mode. As you can see, the purple light is here. Also download the HP Smart app in your MacBook or Mac operating system, and once you download that, you can open the app. So once we open the app, you will see add printer button or plus button, so click on that and wait for the printer to appear on the next screen. So it says HP NY 6000 series printer. Click on that. Now the next step is to click continue button, and it will ask the Wi-Fi password details, and you just have to click continue. It will automatically fill the password for you. So just wait for the printer to do all the steps. Now it says press the flashing information button on the printer. So here is the flashing information button. Click it once. On the next screen it says printer connected to the Wi-Fi, so we just have to click continue again. If you want, you can send link to the other devices or just skip it. Here we see it says the success printer is installed in our MacBook. Now it says let's print, so if you want, you can click on the print button so that we can see the final confirmation. Here we can see the printer has printed the welcome sheet as well. That means our printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network of our home and office, and we can use it for the wireless printing and scanning. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless printing with this. You can do it through the app, or if you have any document in your email, you can just open the email. Now I have opened this PDF from my mail, so I'm just going to print it. So click on the print button, and it will show up the name of the printer, or you can just select from this here and just click on the print button. So here we can see it has done the wireless printing. So this means printer works perfectly good with the wireless printing. We can see here this is the main app, and you can see the name of the printer on the top, and it displays estimated level of ink. From here you can do the wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.